Hello friends, today I am here just to share a new lovely hobby of mine. Yes, I am talking about bird watching. Bird watching या bird viewing तो बहुत दिनों से इस ज़माने या इस दुनिया में प्रचलन में है, पर कहीं ना कहीं शायद हम ही भूल चुके हैं या हमें पता नहीं है. Birds are beautiful creations of God, and once we enter the world of bird watching, it gives us a lot of health benefits. अगर हम चारों तरफ देखें तो ये खूबसूरत नन्ही नन्ही चिड़िया हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाती हैं. And then the benefits of bird watching would be much more than what we must have ever thought of. Yes, when we are into bird watching, हमारे ब्रेन पर बिल्कुल वैसा ही असर पड़ता है जैसा असर पड़ता है a little bit of yoga और meditation के बाद. Exactly. So it is that level of consciousness that we seep into. A very good exercise for little kids because they learn more patience and they learn greater levels of concentration. So I am here only to share that I have recently rediscovered this love of bird watching of mine, and I would suggest all of you to go out, take a minute and look at the beautiful birds and creations of the Almighty in the forms of these lovely birds. Not to forget, every season, irrespective of winter, summer or whatever, we must keep a bird feeder for these birds on the balconies, the roof या जहाँ भी possible हो. Remember, a little bird needs us and we need them even all the more. So remember to watch birds and enjoy. Builds this new hobby of bird watching. Bye-bye. Take care.